everybody and welcome to a new tutorial. My name is Mint and today we are going to transform this beautiful LOL doll into Ariel the Little Mermaid. We are gonna make her pink dress, which is my favorite of all the dresses that she wears. You don't want to miss this tutorial, so let's get started. To make the dress, we are gonna use this plastic that comes with the LOL doll dresses. We are gonna add the clay to this base and it's opened in the back so that we can put the dress and take it off as many times as we want. We are going to start with the base of the dress. For that we need the plastic base and white air dry clay. We need to cover the vase with the air dry clay. We are going to cut the excess. And also don't forget to cut in the middle so you can have a dress that opens and closes easily. For the second layer of the dress, we are going to use pink air dry clay and we are gonna do this shape. We need 2 pieces and now we are gonna add it to the dress. Like this. We are gonna add the top part to the dress.